Hey Liana, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys read down below, in today's YouTube video I'm going to be doing my little girl talk or whatever. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe for more videos of me. Make sure you guys hit the bell. 2, I will be doing post notification shout outs at the end of all my videos from here on. So the next video. So if you want to win a post notification shout out, if you want to be shouted out in my next video, make sure you guys go like this video, subscribe, hit the bell and then comment done. Yeah. And then I'll just pick somebody. Yeah. But you have to do all those so I know. Yeah. But yes, so make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe and let's jump right into the video. So I asked you guys on my Instagram, I was like, give me some questions for a girl talk, and I got a good amount of responses, so I'm going to be talking to my girls today. You know, this video is just all for my girls. All love for y'all, period. You know, we got to stick together in this world, period. So I got y'all with a little girl talk. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is, okay, this person said peer pressure in terms of a boy forcing them to have sex with him. So like a boy forcing a girl to have sex with him. If you're in a relationship and you tell your boyfriend that you're not comfortable with having sex or you don't want to have sex and he doesn't respect that, you have to leave him, period. Like, I don't care. It no matter how much I love him. Like, first of all, love, like, I'm not gonna say like you can't really love your partner if you're a teenager, but like, if no matter how much you love him or if you really want to be with him, like, come on now. If you don't want to do it and he's forcing you to do it, just leave him alone. Just block him from everything and just delete him from your life and move on, sis. Get some money, period. Period. Because you can never have enough, okay? Period. If you're being pressured, like even if he's not your boyfriend and he's pressuring you, like, oh, let's just do this, like it's not even that serious, blah blah blah, and you're uncomfortable, just as I said, just block him. Like, come on now, child. So the next thing is knowing your worth and when to let a guy go. Okay, as I said before, if he's forcing you to do stuff, forcing you to do anything that you're not comfortable with, anything illegal, if he's forcing you to hold drugs, to scam, if he's making you feel uncomfortable, if he's touching you, don't want him to touch it, if he's just really toxic, if he's doing all of this stuff that you tell him not to do and he's still doing it, if he's cheating, if he's a liar, if he's 5'7", like, sis, let that boy go. Like, you don't like it. I mean, over time you get obviously the time is so hard. Forgive me, Jesus Christ. Just do what you have to do. Like, come on now. And then they have to know your worth. If you know that this is not how you're supposed to be treated, if you know that you're supposed to be treated a certain way, and if you really know what you want in life, then you're not going to settle. And I don't think any girl should settle. That's just that. People wanted to know about hygiene, keeping down there clean and keeping themselves clean in general. So I don't care if people talking about, oh, you don't have to shower every day. Like, that's just nasty. Like, I suggest you shower every day, and if it dries your skin out, I don't know, use lotion. Like, come on now. But yeah, you have to shower. Like, you have to shower. Make sure you clean down there. You can't put soap down there, like inside of your down there. You can't put soap in there. Nothing's not supposed to go in there. So be careful how you're washing down there. If you use, like, I know there's like some body wash or whatever that you can use to wash down there. I mean, I don't recommend you using those, but that's probably like the worst thing you can do. Probably going to throw your pH off. I don't know, I don't use that. I use Dove soap, the regular one, non-scented, or I don't know. It comes. It's a white bar and it comes in like a white box, and I just use that on my body. Down there, you know. If soap goes inside of it, like you have to be careful with down there. It's very sensitive. If soap goes inside, it can get a yeast infection, and we don't want that. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, make sure you change if you're on your period. Make sure you change your pads like every 3 to 6 hours. I think they say I change mine like every 3 or 4 hours or so, or when it's full. Like a lot of people say you just have to change it when it's full, but what if you have like if your flow isn't heavy, and but that doesn't mean that you're supposed to keep on the pad for the whole day, because that's just really unsanitary. Like, no, don't keep your pad on for the whole day, girl. Change that pad. If it's just a little thing, I know, I don't care, just change it. Like, change your pad, girl. Don't wait until it's full, because it probably takes like a whole day to get full if you don't have a heavy flow. If you do have a heavy flow, you have to change it like probably like, it depends on your flow. If you have a really heavy flow and like, you know, by 3 hours and your pad's supposed to full, you have to change it. So yeah, make sure you walk around with your pads. Actually, like, walk around with this little emergency kit thing. I have an emergency kit that I carry to school every day, or like I carry like sometimes on the road, but sometimes when I go on the road, I go on the road with my mommy like has stuff like that. But yeah, make sure you carry like an emergency kit with like pads, and you know, if you use tampons, I don't use tampons, but if you use it, make sure you have like an extra pair of underwear, even like toothbrush, toothpaste, like deodorant, perfume, lotion, like anything to keep you, like, what if you're at school and you just do PE and you need to top up with, you know, make sure you carry wipes, flushable wipes. I recommend flushable wipes because sometimes, especially at school, like, you know, they don't have any tissue and you're just like, or the tissue is very harsh. So yeah, I recommend you buy flushable wipes, carry flushable wipes with you. Even like lip gloss, you know, anything that you need, that you think you need in your little kit, carry it with you. But like stuff like your tampons and your sanitary napkins, stuff like that need to be in it. A pair of underwear, all of that stuff need to be in it, girl. Like, yeah, I can't really think of anything else. Make sure you brush your teeth. Make sure you use deodorant. Oh my god. Just make sure you have a shower, you know, especially if you're going on the road. Make sure you shower, girl. Like, yeah, make sure you wash your hair like when it needs to be washed, stuff like that. Wash it like after protective style, stuff like that, you know. Yeah. Alright, so self-care and self-love. Or like self-care is taking care of yourself. So like skincare, you know, if you know, buy what works for you. I mean, I don't really know what works for me. My skin is not clear. Like, if it looks clear, it's not. Okay, it's not. But yeah, buy like, save and buy like your face wash, girl, your face mask. Get your hair done when you want to feel pretty, or like, you don't need your hair done to feel pretty, but like, you know, do your hair if you want to. Wear your nails if you want. I don't have on any nails now, don't look at that, but I'm still pretty, like, period. Like, do your nails if you want to. Do a face mask every once in a while. Take a little self-care day for yourself, you know. Scrub your face, exfoliate, all of that. Shave, girl, do your thing, like, period. Like, be a baddie, like, buy some lashes, put some lip gloss on, do some makeup every once in a while, cause girl, period. Like, I keep saying period in the hand, but it's just like period. But yeah, so girl, like, and self-love, like, Self-love, I mean, for me, I mean, I'm a very conceited person, so I don't know, I guess I automatically love myself. I'm very conceited, like, I'm very self-conceited. So I don't know, I've never had any problems with self-love or like stuff like that. Why did I do this again? But yeah, I never had any problems with like self-love and stuff like that. So I just automatically love myself because I guess I don't know, girl, you just have to look in the mirror every day to yourself that you're beautiful and just love yourself inside and out, and just have to accept yourself for who you are. Okay, being a boss and making boss moves. So girl, if you want to be your own boss, like, just get to doing it now. Now is the perfect time to do it. Like, don't wait. If you want to start a YouTube channel, do it. If you want to start a business, do it. If you want to look for a job, do it. If you want to work, do it. If you can do it, just do it. Okay, boss up and make boss moves, girl. Save for your future so you can have a happy life. Okay, because no one wants to be broke and having to, you know, think about where their next meal is gonna come from, living paycheck to paycheck when they are like 30. No. Everybody wants to drive their Tesla or their Range or their cars, Mustang for me, and everybody wants to be rich and be like. So boss up from now. Like, you're not too young to start, you know, a business or something. Boss up, make boss moves. Like, we don't have no time for these boys, period. Like, boss up, make boss moves, and X these boys out. Alright, toxic exes. They leave. Just leave. Don't get nothing. Just leave. Like, just leave. Like, if you feel somebody's toxic friendships, exes, if you have somebody toxic in your life, just find a way to get out of that situation. It's not good for you, girl. It ain't gonna see. Once you let go of that toxic person, like, your skin is gonna start glowing. You're gonna start looking more of a body, you know, like, you're gonna start doing your thing. You're gonna start feeling happier. That's just on period. And if I say period a lot in this video, I mean everything is just on period, like FAQS no printer. Girl wanted to know about, I guess, my opinion on a significant other having a girl or boy best friend. And not everyone cares if their significant other has a best friend of the opposite gender. But for me though, my boyfriend that I don't have, but you know, I'm married first. If you're seeing this video, I'm very much single. There's no ring on it, okay? But yeah, my boyfriend, if my boyfriend is supposed to have a significant, what am I saying? If my boyfriend is supposed to have a girl best friend, like, it just depends. You get what I'm saying? Because I mean, what if it's like the girl BSF is like your friend from a taller time, you know, and you can actually trust them, and you know, say, oh, you're not that they're not on nothing fishy, then, you know, probably you can. Girl, I don't know. I'm not really too hurt on my head about it anyway, because I mean that just depends on your preference. If you don't care, you just don't care. But if you do care, let him know. And if he doesn't appreciate that, if he doesn't want to drop her, drop him and just move on. Okay, best makeup brands. Girl, I just use any makeup that I can afford. Like, not really like afford, but like, I'm not really picky. If I see somewhere selling makeup, I mean, to me everything's the same, unless you're like someone that buys makeup and it's like, oh my god, it has to be it has to have sunscreen in it, and it has to help with my acne, and it has to, no, like, I never really wear makeup to all that. I mostly just wear lashes and lip gloss, but I don't really wear makeup to all that to say, oh my god, like, my makeup has to be this or that. But Fit Me by Maybelline is a good brand. That's what my mom uses, and I recently got some new makeup thingies, like some concealer and stuff like that. I think it's by Keen Collet. Let me just go for it. This is my little makeup thing, and this brush is Wet n Wild. So like, a brush is I mean, any brush you know, like, girl, any brush. You can get makeup brushes from Shein for really cheap, like 18 for like $9, 18 brushes, and that's like really cheap, girl, because I bought this in the dollar store for $140, just one brush. But yeah, these are just some Wet and Wild. This is Wet and Wild pencil. This is a pencil. Okay, so here I got this new makeup thingy. I bought two because I didn't really know my shade, but I think Cinema. Oh my god, I had a razor in my hand. Oh my god. I think Cinnamon fits me better. I think if I mix them I get my shade. I think Cinnamon really fits better though, because like, as you can, I don't really know if you guys can really see it, but this is the coffee and this is Cinnamon. Cinnamon is darker than the coffee, and I'm a very dark girl. So yeah, but see, it's clean color, feather light foundation and concealer, and I got two of those. My mommy actually bought this for me, so thank you, mom. Thank you. She was tired of me using her makeup. And then I got this concealer. I mean, you can buy concealer in any shade, girl. This is number 2606, and yeah, just open it. I mean, it's brown. It's brown. Makeup hands. It's brown. But yeah, you can buy concealer in any color, girl. Like, just do it and then just put some foundation. And this is the concealer and foundation in one. I really think concealer and foundation is basically the same thing anyways. So topics. Okay, sex before marriage. Oh my god, it's sex before marriage. If you want to have sex with someone before marriage, that's completely up to you. You know, God says that you should not do it. So if you believe in God and you believe and you follow the Bible and stuff like that, well, follow the Bible, because you can believe in God and still do it. But if you follow the Bible and you're really strict about stuff like that, then you're obviously gonna wait till after. But if you want to do it before, girl, kudos to you. Girls need to stop jumping from one man to the next. Okay, in a relationship and you just broke up with that person today, don't go and talk to John tomorrow. Girl, you need to, I mean, if you weren't taking the relationship serious, then that's a whole different thing. But if it was someone that you post up on Instagram, yeah, well, you don't really have to post up on Instagram to like love the person. But if you know you really genuinely love the person and that was your ride or die and it was like a long 5-year relationship, and you just leave the relationship, do not go and talk to Mark the next day. Like, no, girl, you just have to really settle down, settle yourself down. Just think about it. I'm not saying you should cry or anything, because like, who's crying over these boys? Like, but you know, like, girl, do not hop from one to the other. It's not cute. Trust me, it's not cute, and you will be seen as a HOE video. And I see you guys next video. I love you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. Turn the bell on. Comment done when you're done for the shout out in my next video. Yes, do that. So yeah, make sure to tell somebody you love them today, guys. And I love you guys, all of you guys watching this. I love you guys. That's how the heart goes, right? Because I keep doing this and the heart goes like that. So love you guys. Bye.
Ain't nothing but a chicken.